Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create long YouTube videos for free using the Grok AI video generator. So first of all, you need to come here on grok.com/imagine. Over here, you will have to first of all log in with the help of your X account or your Google account or whichever account you have basically. So once you are here, simply hover over to the left hand side. Here, simply click on the option of Imagine. Over here, make sure that the video option is selected. Now here in this section, you just have to start typing your prompt. So over here, I'm going to be giving it this prompt that says create a 7-minute long YouTube video about how to lose belly fat safely, make the tone friendly and beginner friendly with simple explanation. So if I hit enter, it is going to take some time to generate the video for me. You can also use Grok AI, and with that you can basically start creating the script in different sections. After that, based on that sections, you can create a separate scenes, and then you can just simply provide those scenes over here one by one. After doing so, when it generates the video for you just like so, you just have to download them, and then you can use the three dots on the top right hand corner, and you can just save it very easily. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.